Unlock a world of wireless audio for your older Samsung TV by transforming it into a Bluetooth powerhouse. Are you tired of tangled wires and yearning for a truly cinematic audio experience with your favorite headphones or speakers, even if your Samsung TV isn't Bluetooth enabled? Today, I'll show you exactly how to add that missing Bluetooth functionality using simple, readily available adapters. This is going to revolutionize how you listen to your TV, offering unparalleled freedom and an enhanced audio journey. The magic behind this upgrade lies in a small but mighty device, a Bluetooth transmitter adapter. These are inexpensive and easy to find online or at electronic stores. The key is to ensure the adapter you choose has an audio output option that your Samsung TV supports. Commonly the 35mm audio jack or red and white RCA audio outputs. First, let's identify the correct audio outputs on your Samsung TV. Turn your TV around and look for ports labeled audio out, or those that resemble standard headphone jacks. Typically a 35mm port. You might also see red and white RCA audio output jacks. These are the gateways for our Bluetooth signal. Now, take your Bluetooth transmitter adapter and connect the included audio cable to the appropriate audio out port on your Samsung TV. If you're using an adapter that requires a power source, plug it into a USB port on your TV or a nearby USB power adapter using the provided USB cable. With the transmitter powered on and connected, it's time to pair your audio device. Put your Bluetooth headphones or speakers into pairing mode, usually by pressing and holding a Bluetooth button until a light starts blinking. Your transmitter adapter will then search for and connect to your device. Some adapters might have a dedicated pairing button you'll need to press. Once paired, your TV's audio will now be wirelessly transmitted to your headphones or speakers. You can now enjoy your favorite shows, movies, or music with incredible clarity and without any annoying cables. A simple adapter opens up a world of wireless possibilities, enhancing your viewing and listening pleasure significantly. Even on older Samsung TV models, it's a game changer for anyone looking for a more immersive and convenient audio setup.